Hey y'all, so today this video is sponsored by LANZOOM. They are a luxury watch company, so I will be opening this and reviewing it to see how it matches my style. I'm really excited to try this watch out and see how great it is for its value and test out all the features. So I'll be doing a review, and so let's open this really cute packaging. So it opens like this. And this is like a separate box. Here's the watch. So it's blue to match my outfit today. And it has this silver chain. Let me get it unwrapped for you guys. So here's the watch. It's got this beautiful chain, which is almost like a bracelet. So that's really cool. It's like a watch and a bracelet all in one. LANZOOM is a German company, so trusted German manufacturing and quality. This gorgeous blue mother of pearl backing is blue and it's so pretty. Look at that. So the watch is made from durable stainless steel and the dial is blue mother of pearl. It matches my dress, so that's awesome. The watch is corrosion resistant, durable, and made for long-lasting wear. I'm really excited to try this out with my outfit today and see how it looks. Let's try it on. So I was able to get the watch on. Look at that. It goes super cute with my outfit. So the watch also comes with adjustable sizing. So like this was connected to the watch, but I took it off because it was a little big for me. So let's see if it fits a little bit better now. So I got the watch on. It's giving like icy frozen. I really like the bracelet look. It feels very flexible. And it matches my outfit, which may or may not have been planned. This video is sponsored by LANZOOM quality German watches. Quality craftsmanship for your watches, stainless steel look, and a beautiful mother of pearl dial background. Perfect for any outfit, and they have multiple shades. They also have gold watches. I opted for silver. They also have men's watches as well. I just got like I got the chain look, but they have other watch band styles. Hey y'all, what's up? It's like the next day and here I am in my pajamas and my fresh face. And look at this, I still have my LANZOOM watch on. So I've now had this watch on for 24 hours. I slept in it and it's like really nice. I actually forget it's even there because it's like so comfortable. And I like it a lot. It definitely doesn't feel like I have like a giant rock on my wrist or anything. It's like super comfy and like casual, and I literally like forget it's there. But it's like so cute. So yeah, this has been my review of my LANZOOM watch. I hope you guys had so much fun and found this video to be informative and maybe learned something about LANZOOM and how great their watches are. Definitely check them out on Amazon. All the links will be in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and come back to my channel for more amazing content soon. XOXOXO at the ilybabe.